The first step is to open the flight system. Double-click and wait for about 20 seconds. The software will show up. Place the material below the camera. To identify, then modify the template. Then click the second template to locate. Double-click the template to create a template. Then modify the template. Then we pull a straight line here to correct the verticality of your product. Click OK. Then learn the template. Select the feature points to be learned. Select the obvious features of the material and learn it. Select the box, click Next. For example, learn here. After completing your study, click Save. Then select your recognition. In the camera's recognition range, we click here. Then select the recognition area. Adjust the position. Click OK. This is the area we want to recognize and save it. Click Settings to set the marking content and position. Now the default recognition is here. How to change it to a QR code. Click Edit as to modify. After opening the software, select the text within the box, then change the barcode. Click Apply. Now it's a long line. Find the QR code. Click Apply. Enable variable text. Create the text, which is fixed text. For example, 123,456. Click OK. Now it is fixed text, which is the constant text. Then increase it again. Click the serial number. For example, the starting serial number is 0001, and the current serial number is 0001. Then set the maximum value to 9,999. Mark the number once. Click OK. Click Apply. Then select the QR code format. Select the second circular format. Click OK. Click Apply again. Modify the size of the QR code. The unit here is millimeter. It's 6.8 now. Change the QR code to 10 by 10, which is 10 by 10. Click Apply. Then center it. Here is the marking speed. The marking speed controls the duration of marking a single QR code. The frequency current is 1, and the rated frequency is 50. The pulse width is 1 to 20. Take the middle value 10. I think the marking effect is still acceptable. Adjustments are made specifically according to the product. Adjust the parameters. Click the mouse in a blank area, and then save it. Click the upper left corner several times. After save, then close the software. At this time, the QR code will be displayed. We can adjust the marking position of the QR code. Place the mouse in the center of the QR code. A crosshair will be displayed here. Adjust to the appropriate position and save. Click Save. Check if the feature is recognized. Click on the POS and the QR code will appear. The content we recognize is in this position. Figure out where to mark it. Click Start or press F2 on the keyboard to begin labeling.